बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हम सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 4B। अभी जो हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं दैट इज़ द रियल लाइफ स्टोरी सम्स। दीज आर द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स। इट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व राइट नाउ। Asad has a stripe of wood 69.5 centimeter long. He needs small pieces of wood 2.65 long to make a model house. How many pieces can be cut off the stripe? इसमें जो एक हमारे पास लॉन्ग स्ट्राइप है उसकी लेंथ टोटल हमारे पास है दैट इज द 60.95। टोटल लेंथ ऑफ लॉन्ग स्ट्राइप that is the 60.95 centimeter and length of each small pieces. It is 2.65 centimeter. We are going to find the number of pieces. Number of pieces to be cut. For this purpose, we will number of pieces. We will divide the 60.9 divided by 2.65. Now we will convert into simple fraction. 6095 it will be 100 divided by 265 divided by 100. 6095 divided by 100. इसको एज इट इज रखेंगे। अब मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और सेकंड जो फ्रैक्शन है इसका रेसिप्रोकल ले लेंगे 265। ये 100 से कैंसिल हो गया। नाउ इट इज द 6095 divided by the 265. Now we are going to divide 6095 divided by 265. Now we will multiply the 265 by 2. It will be 530. इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, इसको माइनस करेंगे, सॉरी, it will be 9 and here will be 10 and 5 here. We will subtract the 3 from 10, it is 9 और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट हम कैरी करेंगे इसको 5 को, इट इज द 795। अब 265 को हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, इट इज द 15। 1 carry, it is the 18 plus carry, it is the 19. 1 carry will be here, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 795. There will be 3. After subtraction, its remainder will be 0. So the answer is 23 number of pieces cut. It is question number 2. Hina has the piece of ribbon 7.50 centimeter long for her school project. She needs few stripes of the ribbon 1.5 centimeter long. How many pieces can she get from her piece? Length of long ribbon, that is the 7.50 centimeter. Length of the small ribbon needed, that is given us, it is the 1.5. नहीं, हमने जो छोटे रिबन इसमें से काटने हैं, that is the 1.5 centimeters. Number of ribbons cut. Number of ribbons cut, it will be 7.50 divided by 1.50. Now we will simply convert 750 divided by it will be 100 divided by 150 over 100. 750, we will cancel out this one. It will be 75 over 10 divided by 15 over 10. In the next step, 75 over 100 into 10, 75 over 10. Next division will be converted into multiplication, and we will take the reciprocal of the second term. It will be 10 over 15. 10 will be cancelled with 10, 10 with 10, 75 over 15. अब 15 को 75 से कैंसिल करेंगे, it will be the 5. So number of ribbons cut, these are 5. It is question number 3. Azfar spent 75.75 for buying 15 pens. How much did he pay for each pen? Total amount paid, that is 75.75 rupees. Next, pens purchased, these are the 15. And now we are going to find out how many number of pens. Not number of pens, we are going to find out price of each pen. It is easy. We will divide the total amount by the number of pens, then there will be the price of the each pen. It is 75.75 divided by 15. We will divide these one as it is the 15. 15 5s are the 75. After subtraction, it will be 0 and 77 will be down, and we will put 0 here. And next it is 5. 5 15 ज़्यादा 75 अब to subtracting it is 0 और डेसिमल इधर हमारे पास 2 पॉइंट्स में है तो इधर भी हम आफ्टर 2 decimal places we will add the its decimal. It will be 5.05 rupees each pen price of each pen. Now it is the question number 4. If a bag of rice weighs 7.75 kg, what will be the mass of such 35 bags? Weight of rice bags. Weight of one rice bag. That is a 7.75 kg and weight of 35 bags. We will multiply the 7.75 into 35. 7.75 will be multiplied by 35. 5 5s are 25. 2 carries will be here. 5 7s are 35 plus 2 it will be 37. 7 will be placed here and 3 will be as a carry on this place. 7 5s are 35 plus 3 it is a 38. Now we are going to multiply with 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry here. 3 7s are 21 plus 2 it is 22. 2 will be here and 7 3s are 21 plus 2 23. Now we are going to add 5. It will be 12. 1 carry here. It will be 1 and 1 here. It will be 7 and 2. और डेसिमल जो है ना इसमें हमारे पास 2 प्लेसेस पे है और इधर भी 2 प्लेसेस पे हम रख देंगे. It is the total mass of the 35 bags of rice. It is the 271.25 kg. It is question number 5. A carpenter earns 80.50 per hour. How much will he earn in 7.5 hours? So we are going to find out its salary of 7.5 hours and carpenter salary for 1 hour. It is 80.50 rupees. Next, carpenter salary for 7.5 hours. We will multiply the 80.50 with the 7.5. 80.50 multiplied with 7.5. We are going to multiply. It will be the 500. 5 5s are 25. 2 will be carry here. 500 and 2 will as it is. It will be 5 4s are 5 8s are the 40. Next 7, we are going to multiply 7 zeros are 7, it will be 0, and 7 fives are the 35, and 3 will be carry here 700 and 3 as it is. 7 fives are the 56. We are going to add, it will be 5, it will be 7, 3, 0 and 6. अब हम इसका डेसिमल पुट करते हैं। डेसिमल वन वन डेसिमल प्लेस ये है और 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस इस वाले नंबर में। टोटल डेसिमल प्लेसेस 3, तो इधर हम पुट करेंगे, इट विल बी हियर। सो द सैलरी for the 7.5 hours is 603.750 rupees. It is question number 6. A storekeeper has 27.36 kg of rice. Total mass of the rice are the 27.36. If he puts it into 9 sacks, how much will the rice each sack contains? This is total mass और उसको हमने 9 सैक्स में रखना है। तो हमने फाइंड आउट करना है कि ईच बैग जो है उसमें कितनी उसकी अमाउंट है राइस की। तो देन वी विल राइट टोटल वेट ऑफ राइस, it is 27.36 kg. Number of sacks are the packets, these are the 9. Mass of rice in each bag, it will be 27.36 divided by 9. We are going to divide 27.36 divided by 9. 9 3 times are the 27, and after subtraction it will be 0. We will down the 3, it is less than 9, हम इधर 0 पुट करेंगे, नेक्स्ट नंबर को नीचे लाएंगे, इट विल बी 6. नाउ 9 4 टाइम्स आता 36, इसको माइनस किया तो 0 आ गया हमारे पास। अब हमने इसका डेसिमल लगाना है। इधर हमारे पास इसमें इसका जो डेसिमल था 2 प्लेसेस पे था, तो इधर भी 2 प्लेसेस पे 2 DP पे हम इसका लगा देंगे डेसिमल। इट विल बी 3.04 kg rice in each small bag. It is a question number 7. Rida has 5,946 rupees in her wallet. She wants to buy 2 dresses costing rupees 2,565 and rupees 2,750. Estimate the total cost of the both dress. Can she buy both? So total amount in purse. Total amount Rida have, it is 5,946. First dress costing it is 2,565 rupees, and second dress cost It is 2750. Total cost of two dresses. Two dresses cost. We will add this one. 5 5 plus 6, it is 11. One carry will be here. 5 plus 7, it is 12, plus 1, it is 13. One carry will be here, and it is the 5. Before addition, we will estimate. It is given us to estimate the total cost of the both dresses. We are going to estimate the estimated cost of first dress. It will be rounded off to the 2300, not 2300, as 2600, because we will round off this one. uh, uh, we will round 2500 will be rounded off the 70. It will 5 will be dropped, and it will be 1 will be added in the next, and the next it will be rounded off to the 2600, because 7 is greater than 5. We will round it off to the 100, that is the 2600. Cost of second dress, its cost is the 2750. It will be rounded off to the 2800, because it is the last number is the 5. 5 will be dropped, and 1 will be added to the next number. Estimated cost of both dress. We will add these two quantities, that is the 2600 plus 2800. It will be the 5400. Rita have amount, it is 5946, and it is the cost of the estimated cost of the both dresses. So she can buy both dresses, as she has more money in her wallet.